Hello guys, welcome back to one of the Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to change the fuel filter in Honda Odyssey. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, you might be wondering how do you exactly change the fuel filter here. So the first thing that you need to do is you want to ensure that you have the proper tools and materials. So first is you need a wrench, so likely around a 10 mm or a 12 mm. So check your owner manual for this one. And also you need to have a fuel line disconnect tool here. So it is highly recommended to avoid damaging the lines, and also you might want to shop towels or rags here for cleanings up spills here, and a container to catch any spilled fuel. And also you may want to wear some safety glasses, always prioritize your safety, and finally a new fuel filter. Just make sure it matches your Odyssey year and model. So they have their own model that you need to match here. So first things first is you need to locate where your fuel filter is. So the fuel filter is typically found near the fuel tank. So sometimes under the vehicle, since the exact location can vary based on the model and year. So again, you need to refer your owner manual for precise details here. Now, before starting here, you must release the fuel pressure in the system to avoid fuel spraying out when disconnecting the lines. So the method actually varies depending on the model year, but it often involves disconnecting the fuel pump fuse and basically starting the engine and letting it run until it stalls. This uses up the remaining pressure in the lines. Now, from then on, you want to prepare your container under your fuel filter here to catch any leftover fuel. Now, have rugs or shop towels ready to wipe up spills here. Now, you want to use the fuel line disconnect tool to carefully remove the clamps holding the fuel lines to the filter. Also, be extra cautious here as fuel lines can become brittle and may crack. So if the line starts cracking, stop immediately and you may need to replace it. Now, from then on, you want to unscrew the retaining brackets here and gently wiggle the old filter free. A little fuel spillage is normal here, so don't worry about it. And from then on, check for any dirt, debris, or damage, so this can give you insight into the fuel system's condition. Also, make sure it's oriented correctly, so you may want to check the markings on the filter and secure it in place with the retaining bracket bolts here. Now, from then on, you want to reattach the fuel line clamps, or in this case, as tight as you can or tightly secured, but don't make it too much, it might break. But yeah, also double check all connections to leaks here, and if you remove any fused electrical components, reconnect them before proceeding. And you want to turn on your engine and let it run for a few minutes to allow the fuel system to prime. Now you want to inspect the fuel filter and fuel lines for any leaks, so if you notice any, stop immediately and fix the issue. So yeah, if there are no leaks here, check that the engine runs smoothly. So dispose of all fuel filters and any spilled fuel properly according to the local regulations. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.